and the classes part of the standard 9th, chapter number 1st, law of motion. Concept: displacement is equal to, whereas displacement is the minimum distance between the starting and finishing point, is called a displacement. Definition: distance is the length of actual path traveled by an object. Motion will going to one and another point is called a distance.
Speed definition: speed is a covered in body time. Body in unit time is called a speed. Formula: uh, total distance traveled upon time required. Velocity: the displacement that occurs in unit time is called a velocity. Formula: velocity is equal to displacement upon time.
Effects of speed and direction on velocity. First, when the car goes straight, when its direction is same and velocity and speed also same. Second, when the car take turn, then its distance is same but velocity and distance is changed.
Acceleration: the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Formula: acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time.
Positive acceleration. Definition: when the velocity of an object increase is called the positive acceleration. Negative acceleration. Definition: when the velocity of an object decrease with time is called the negative acceleration.
Zero acceleration. Definition: in the velocity of the object does not change with time, it have zero acceleration.
Uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Definition: if the velocity change by equal amount and equal time intervals is said to be uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration: if the velocity change by unequal amount and equal time intervals is said to be non-uniform acceleration.
Equation describing the relation between velocity and time. The object start from object in point D. It is in the object start from it is velocity point D. Uniform circular motion is equal to, as the tip is moving along a circular path, its motion is called a uniform circular motion. Uniform motion is the motion in which a bar cover equal distance in very simple equal intervals of time. Newton's first law of motion: and the object continues to remain at rest on in its state of uniform motion along a straight line unless an external unbalanced force on act it.
Sir, Newton's second law of motion. What is meant by Newton's second law of motion? The rate of change of momentum is proportional to apply force, and the change of momentum is the direction of the force act on it. Momentum definition: the momentum of object that contains mass and velocity on the object. P is equal to mv, the momentum of vector quantity. Newton's third law of motion: every action force has an equal and opposite reaction which acts simultaneously. It means the Newton's third law of motion.
The law of conservation of momentum. The magnitude of total final momentum is equal to the magnitude of total initial momentum. When no external force acts on two interacting objects, their total momentum remains constant. It does not change. When two objects collide, the total momentum before collision is equal to the after collision.
Nandip classes Patoda. This video like, comment and share. Thank you.